Sergeant at Arms, you are requested to coordinate and escort the next contestant in the room. Toastmaster Nidhi, please confirm when you are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant 2, Toastmaster Nidhi Goyal. Nidhi, to check your microphone, please repeat after me. I am excited to be a part of this contest.
I'm excited to be a part of this contest.
Great. Kindly confirm if you can see timer 1
Green,
and view the
yellow,
transitions.
Red. Thank you.
Great. So Toastmaster Nidhi, what matters more, standard of living or quality of life? What matters more, standard of living or quality of life? Toastmaster Nidhi.
Dear Toastmasters, while growing up, have you ever felt that the choices in your life were so simple? It was either choosing from a candy or a chocolate, right? They were that easy. Growing up, you face multiple occasions where you are at crossroads. You have to decide whether to go to the left or to the right. You feel dejected, you feel sad, you feel confused. But that not always happens. While growing up, we always feel that we should have a proper standard of living. My father always used to teach me the values that Nidhi, when you grow up, you have to be a good person. But I never understood that, Papa, why is it needed? My father said, Nidhi, you always have to work hard and study to be something in your life. And I always used to get angry and say, no, I want to play. I don't want to do anything else. Once you grow up and you have all the responsibilities in life, and when life hits you hard, you understand that that's not always the case. When you want a good life, you want to be like others, you want all the comforts in life, you see how much you suffer. You see your friends. And in those moments, what you should realize is, where you are right now in the present is the best moment to be. You might have all the luxuries in life, or you might have nothing. The debate will always go on. But dear Toastmasters and all the students, always remember, what people teach you, you should listen and take a step forward and understand that the present is the best place to be, and the choices you make right now are the choices that will always follow. Thank you, and back to you, Contest Chair.
Thank you. We shall now observe a minute of silence to enable the judges to mark their ballots. The Sergeant at Arms, may I please request you to coordinate and escort the next contestant in the room, please? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant 3, Toastmaster Neeraj Agrawal. Toastmaster Neeraj, to check your microphone, please repeat after me. I am excited to be a part of this contest.
I'm excited to be a part of this contest.
Great. Kindly confirm if you can see timer 1 and view the transitions of the timing cards.
Yes, I can.
Great. Toastmaster Neeraj, what matters more, standard of living or quality of life? What matters more, standard of living or quality of life? Toastmaster Neeraj.
Life. Life is what happens while we're busy making other plans. What matters more? Standard of living, it definitely matters. If it was not for my standard of living, would I be able to enroll for Toastmasters in the first place? Or stand here? But then quality of life is also important. Quality of life where there is some respect, where you're praised for what you do. In short, don't get married. I had a good standard of living before I got married. Quality of life was very good before I got married. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I got married. The first casualty of marriage is the wife's sense of humor. The jokes that she liked now became despicable. You are repeating the same thing over and over again. The quality of life went to the dogs. And Neeraj, what I earn is what I earn. What you earn is what we earn. Did you get your salary? Now pay these bills. Quality of life, standard of life. I come home. Hi, babe. What's for dinner? I don't know. It's up to what you're feeling up to cooking. Babe, can we take the dogs out for a walk? Yeah, take them out for a walk. Babe, aren't you coming along? Nah, I'm too tired. In fact, when you come back, press my feet also after that. So what matters more, quality of life or standard of life? I haven't seen either. But then, one fights. One strives. So, I took to looking at my dogs. Those dogs that look at you with those intelligent eyes, telling you, dude, you just came back from office. I spent the whole day with her today. Imagine the quality and standard of my life. So, having brothers in arms always helps. It does not really matter whether you have quality of life or you have standard of life. Have dogs. And avoid wives at all costs. Contest chair.
Thank you. We shall now observe a minute of silence to enable the judges to mark their ballots. May I also please request Sergeant at Arms to please coordinate and escort the next contestant in the room, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 4, Toastmaster Jay Khatri. Toastmaster Jay, to check your microphone, please repeat after me. I am excited to be a part of this contest.
I'm excited to be a part of this contest.
Great. Kindly confirm if you can see timer 1 and view the transitions of the timing cards. Great. Toastmaster Jay, what matters more, standard of living or quality of life? What matters more, standard of living or quality of life? Toastmaster Jay.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jay Khatri, and I am here to share with you some life experience that I had asked this question to my senior, or you can say guru. That's my first guru is my father, and I asked him about when I was entering into my professionalism career. I asked him all about the one thing which is better, the quality of life or showing off. He always guided me that showing off is for those persons who can't earn by themselves, who want to fake in the society and be the one to show that we are capable of it. The person who show, that means he is not capable to earn that thing. The person who can earn, who has the capacity to make themselves and achieve the goal, he never shows, he acts. So your action will speak, but your showing off will never speak. As this was experienced by me in my life at regular piece of time, as in my professional career, I always saw that the learned advocates are the one who believes in action. And the advocates who are just on a show-off purpose to get an attention of the other people, they buy some BMW and expensive thing to just show off. But what one matter thinks about, you can buy it, but your action should speak, not your show-off. Thank you.
Thank you. We shall now observe a minute of silence to enable the judges to mark their ballots. May I also please request Sergeant at Arms to please coordinate and escort the next contestant in the room. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant 5, Toastmaster Ankur Agrawal. Toastmaster Ankur, to check your microphone, please repeat after me. I am excited to be a part of this contest.
I am excited to be a part of this contest.
Great. Kindly confirm if you can see timer 1 and view the transitions of the timing cards.
Green, yellow, red.
Great. Toastmaster Ankur, what matters more, standard of living or quality of life? What matters more, standard of living or quality of life? Toastmaster Ankur.
When I was doing engineering, only thing mattered was everything except engineering. At that time, we weren't worried about standard of living or quality of living, but we were worried about the education system, the standard of education system, and the quality of education system. And our thoughts deepened as the exam approaches. Every night before the exam, we'll have the discussion about how the standards of education has gone low, how the quality of education has gone low. And at the end, we'll conclude, we are too smart for us to pass these exams. We were naive, we were energetic, we were young. It is during that time that you don't think about too far ahead. But the real question lies, should the standard of living and quality of life really matters? There are people who don't even know what standard of life is. There are people in this world who don't even know what quality of life is. Today, we get this privilege to decide that what matters the most. But I think what matters the most are those people as well, living in some part of the world, who don't even know that they deserve to live with dignity and respect. At the end, all that matters to everyone is that we live a dignified and respectful life. So friends, before you complain about your standard of life or quality of life, just remember, there are people in this world who are fighting to receive the dignity and respect they deserve. Congrats, Chair.
Thank you. We shall now observe 3 minutes of silence to enable the judges to finalize their ballots and hand it over to the ballot counters. Chief Judge, we have completed 3 minutes of silence. Please confirm if all the ballots have been collected. Chief Judge and ballot counters may now proceed to the holding area, please. Attention, ladies and gentlemen. May I now please request the contestants in their speaking order to receive their participation certificates. Toastmaster, contestant 1, Toastmaster Krishma Kale. May I now please request Toastmaster Nidhi Goyal. May I now please request Toastmaster Neeraj Agarwal on stage, please. I request Toastmaster Jay Khatri to be please to come on the stage, please. Contestant 5, Toastmaster Ankur Agrawal. Please come on the stage. May I again request all the contestants to please come on the stage for a group photo. I now adjourn the table topics contest and the results will be declared shortly. We have the Chief Judge with us now. I now officially adjourn the table topics contest and the results will be declared soon. I now hand over the stage to the MOCs.
After witnessing this amazing contest, Now, it's time for the most anticipated part of today's event, the award ceremony for Division A 2025. For the award ceremony, I would like the following persons to be on the stage. District Director Ankit Das Gupta, Program Quality Director Neha Bhatt, Club Growth Director Sanjay Shetty, and Division Director Saishri Sastry.
It's time for the Pinnacle Club Award. Outstanding clubs deserve recognition. Let's invite the winners. From Area A5, Vadodara Toastmasters Club, please come on stage.
Area directors, please come on the stage for taking the award. The club which is receiving the award, its area director is requested. Yeah.
So Area A5 Director Jyoti Tehan Verma, and the best area club in the area is Vadodara Toastmaster Club. Thank you. So we are having two more awards. The exemplary contributor for Area A5 that goes to Toastmaster Tarun H. Lalangalia for his outstanding performance in the area, helping not only area, beyond the district. He is also helping division as a division PR team. Thank you. The next set of award which is given by the district, that is Power Up 2.0 award, that is for Area A5, again Vadodara Toastmaster clubs. All the members are requested, please come forward. Yes. So please have a big round of applause for them. We are giving only for this area in this way because they have to catch bus now. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now it's time for Shining Area Director Award. This award is given for 3 months period, and it is given to the area directors who does exemplary work like training, renewals, opening new clubs, conducting demo meetings, etc. So, Shining Area Director Award for the term of October to December.
One award we have already declared in the last division conference, that is for July, August and September, that has gone to Toastmaster Shruti Shivhare. Please have a big round of applause for Shruti. Shruti, you can stand in your place. Thank you.
After July, August, September, it's time for October to December. And for October to December, the award goes to Toastmaster Jyoti Trehan Verma, Area A5 Director. Can we have her on the stage, please? It's time for Shining Area Director Award for the term of January to March. Put your hands together for Toastmaster Rita Achlare, Area A3 Director, shining bright with her exceptional leadership. Please come on the stage to accept this well-deserved award.
Now it's time for Pinnacle Club Award. From Area A4, Impact Toastmasters Club, I would like to invite the President to receive this well-deserved award. Please join us on stage.
Immediate past President can also join us on the stage for receiving the same, Toastmaster Anushka Sangneria. And all the members present from Impact Toastmasters Club, please come on the stage to join the same. Thank you. From Area A3, we have Raizani Mestro Toastmasters Club as a Pinnacle Club Award. Please come on the stage to receive the same. Each and every members present from the club can come on the stage.
So those Raisoni Toastmaster Club has already received their trophy into their place before that. Thank you so much. The same way we are having...
For exemplary contributors, meet our outstanding Toastmasters from Area A1, Toastmaster Rohin Sharma from Diamond City Toastmasters Club. Your contributions are valued. Please come on the stage.
The same has been already received and dispatched to the concerned person.
From Area A2, Toastmaster Rishi from Toastmasters Club of Vadodara. From Area A3, Toastmaster Harshita Agrawal from Transcendence Toastmaster. Please accept the award. From Area A4, Toastmaster Ruchi Sharma from Infobeans Toastmaster. Please come on the stage.
Toastmaster Anjali Shivhare will be collecting the award on behalf of Area A4.
So the last from the for Division A is a very important award will be given to one person as we decided who did outstanding job as a member, as an ex-com, as a mentor, and not only this but helping beyond club, beyond area, beyond division and district also. So one who is achieving the pinnacle Toastmaster of Division A award is, any guesses? Tosif? Oh my. No, it's not Tosif, please. It's from TCS Toastmaster Club, Anjali Shivhare. Please welcome her with a big round of applause.
Now it's time for Power Up Area Directors. For Power Up Area Directors from Area A3, the award goes to Toastmaster Rita Achlare. Please come on the stage. Can we have a huge round of applause for Rita Achlare? Thank you. From Area A4, Power Up Area Directors Award goes to Toastmaster Shruti Shivhare. Join us on the stage, please.
Now it's time for the Power Up Clubs award. Cheers to our Power Up Clubs. I would like to call Charismatic Speakers Toastmasters Club. Now, the Power Up Club award goes to Impact Toastmasters Club.
All the members can please come on the stage. Thank you. Now it's time for Renewal Rockstar Award. Renewal Rockstar Award goes to Charismatic Speakers Toastmaster Club. Can we have Area A3 Director Rita Achlare for the same? Along with presidents and all the members available here.
The next award, Renewal Rockstar. Transcendence member need to be ready. I want to see the shout. Transcendence Toastmaster Club from Area A3 Division A. They are receiving Renewal Rockstar. That award is given to our IPS Academy for providing this such a beautiful venue to us, to accept our token of gratitude from our district director, the district trio. I would like to request Dr. Rupesh Dubey, Head of Department of Electronics and President IAC responsible for innovation and entrepreneur activities at the institute. Please, sir, join us on this stage. Now, The next award, the next recognition we are going to give, the district is providing TCS for providing venues supporting maximum district events in area Division A. It is TCS Maitri Indore. To accept the token of gratitude, I would like to call Mukesh Sarji, Shruti Shivhare, and entire team for your support and invaluable support. You all are requested, please come forward, because without you, many events which we had, it could not possible, not only with the venue, but also supporting entire team. Yeah, thank you, Trio, for your support and guidance. You can leave. One set of award it was left. We have in division, we are having the division PR team. In that we are having Shubhi Mittal, Tarun and Tausif as our PR team. Please Tausif, come on the stage. Shubhi is not here, so on behalf of Shubhi, you will collect. Thank you so much. And I would like to request Jyoti, please come on the stage and collect Tarun's gift.
Please help me welcome Toastmaster Pinky Behrus, a renowned communication skills catalyst and professional speaker. As the founder of Ace the Stage, she empowers professionals to communicate with clarity and confidence with prestigious platforms like TEDx and Josh Talks under her belt. She is a sought-after trainer and keynote speaker. She holds leadership roles in esteemed organizations, including the Indian Society of Training and Development and Wiki. Let's welcome a leader who has been honored as one of India's most impactful coaches.
Wow, I love this. Thank you for whoever has created this. So how many of you all have seen the movie Chakte India? Shah Rukh Khan? Oh, I love the raise of hands. There's a dialogue in that, 70 minute hai aapke paas. A month ago, Saishri called me that, Pinky, you have to conduct a session at division conference. I conduct a session? She said, yeah, on communication skills. I said, okay, how much time will I have? She said, Pinky, 20 minute hai aapke paas. I said, what? 20 minute mein kya hoga? How can you conduct a session in 20-25 minutes? And that is the challenge Saishri gave me. Saishri, I love you for that challenge. So let's begin. Welcome to Key to Clarity. And let's see what lies ahead. Yeah, if someone can help me change these slides. Of course. So what emotions do you see here? What does this picture convey? Happiness? Next. Shock? Okay. I'm not able to hear. Okay, then? Sad. Okay, then? Okay, now comes a question. They both are vegetable vendors. दोनों सब्जियां बेचते हैं और दोनों के पास बहुत fresh सब्जी है. Price is also same. Price same, fresh, बिल्कुल आसपास दुकान. From whom will you buy? The one wearing the yellow kurta or the one wearing the white shirt? Yellow kurta. Why? Rate same है, सब्जियां दोनों की fresh है, but why then? Smile. Yes. That is the magic of smile. So the first thing, not only do our words communicate, but our facial expressions, how we speak, the pauses, the silence, our face communicates. Okay, let's see. So what we have to take care of course, our face. So today we see Saishri running here and there. आज साइश्री ने बहुत काम किया है. आज तो साइश्री ने बहुत काम किया है. अरे आज साइश्री ने बहुत काम किया है.
Which one did you felt was genuine? Sentence was same. The tone was different. So how you speak, the tone also matters. All right? The previous one, please. Thank you. So yes, the pace. If I speak very fast, it's going to be difficult for me to keep up with my breath because मुझे सांस भी लेनी है, and for you all to understand. और अगर मैंने बहुत ही slow बोला and like I'm taking too long, then the audience will sleep. So we have to maintain the right pace and also the grace. By grace, of course, it's a face, a tone, and the words we use. All right? Can we have the next slide, please? First of all, thank you. Thank you for your help. So this is the model which I have created according to the values I follow. I believe in simplicity. For example, if I tell you, oh no, to know yourself, work on the Johari window. And you know what? To make decisions, work on 6 thinking hats. You all say, what rubbish is he speaking? Bol kya rahi hai wo? You all will not be, it might be difficult for few of you all to understand. So what is important in communication is the simplicity. What may be easy for you, आप वो काम regular basis पे कर रहे हैं, इसलिए आपके लिए easy है. But it not may be easy for everyone. So simplicity is the key, of course, authenticity and respect. What do you mean by respect? Respecting others? Can I have a raise of hand? What do you mean by respect? Respecting others? नहीं किसी का raise hand नहीं हुआ. So if it's not respecting others, then what is it? फिर क्या है? अगर दूसरों का respect करना नहीं है तो क्या है? Respecting others and at the same time respecting. Exactly. Do not forget that. Many a times हम वो भूल जाते हैं. Yes, please. Okay. So, of course, we have heard that communication के लिए सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. We have to be attentive. So, what do we do? Sometimes, but what stops us from listening? Outer noise. अरे आज सुबह घर से निकलते निकलते झगड़ा हो गया. That is our inner noise, troubling us. कुछ भी हम कर रहे हो मेरा नहीं यार झगड़ा हो गया मैंने सॉरी नहीं बोला नहीं यार उनको मनाना है मैंने सॉरी नहीं बोला. That is inner noise. Outer noise, we are here. Such a wonderful place. But example, अभी suppose besides only पास में ही construction चल रहा है and there's ठक 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 ठक. Will you all be able to concentrate? That's the outer noise. And the third one is the language noise. किया आयो तमाशा भाई? Okay, that was Sindhi, but I know not many of you would not understand. So you have to speak the language which others would understand. So yes, please take care of outer. That time, the simple thing is that be in the present. कुछ मत सोचो. Let's play एक छोटा सा quick game खेलते हैं. So everyone know 2 का टेबल सबको आता है? 2 ones are? 2 twos are? अरे वाह! Applause for yourselves, please. So when I say 2 or multiples of 2, you'll have to clap. Simple? When I say 2 or multiples of 2, you'll have to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clap. मैंने clap बोला, मैंने 10 नहीं बोला. So yes, we have to listen. We have to be alert. All right. So yes, let's move ahead and see what lies ahead. What does this image tell you all? Who said that? Amazing. Your name? Hitesh. Gitesh. Applause for Gitesh, please. Now coming to networking, now suppose I know many of you here. अभी मैं आई यहाँ पे and I only mingle with those who I knew, who I know. ठीक है, जिनको मैं जानती हूँ बस मैं उन्हीं से मिली. बाकी मैंने किसी नहीं यार, मैंने किसी से और से भी बात नहीं की. Have I done correct? सही किया मैंने? नहीं किया. ओके अभी सपोज मैं आई हूँ, मैं बहुत लोगों को जानती हूँ लेकिन मैं उनसे नहीं मिली. अब मैं उन्हीं से बात कर रही हूँ, नए नए लोग, अरे लेट मी मेक न्यू न्यू नेटवर्क्स, नए 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 कॉन्टैक्ट्स बनाती हूँ. सिर्फ उनसे बात की जिनसे जानती हूँ, उनके बात नहीं किया. तो मैंने सही किया. अब तो मैंने ऑपोजिट किया. आई डिड द ऑपोजिट. डिड आई डू राइट? नहीं, फिर भी गलत. अरे फिर सोल्यूशन क्या है? क्रिएट अ balance. So it's all about maintaining the relations. All right. So let's see what networking has. Okay, find a connection, be a connection. हम ऐसा था कि हम किसी को जानते हैं, but introduce that person to others also. That person will again introduce you to someone else. That is how your network grows. Okay, next. So yes, profile of that, we know that social media, LinkedIn. How many of you are on LinkedIn? It's very, you all are going to crack interviews, you all are going to go for interviews. Very soon you all will start doing jobs. You have to be on LinkedIn. See what you can post, how you can maintain credibility and all. So please update your profiles. Join associations based on your industry. For example, if you all have heard my intro, I'm part of Professional Speakers Association of India. I'm part of Indian Society for Training and Development. Why? Because they are related to my field. I get to learn new things from them. मैं उनसे नई नई चीज़ें सीखती हूँ. मुझे मौका मिलता है उनसे अपना नॉलेज शेयर करने का. That is how we grow. Build genuine bonds. No need to say we are Toastmasters. Genuine bonds तो बन ही जाते हैं. Balance the conversation. Now I am someone, those who know me, who know that I love talking. एक बार मैं शुरू हो गई तो मुझे चुप कराना थोड़ा क्या बहुत ही मुश्किल है. But then I understood, no, it's not all about me. मैं तो बात कर रही हूँ, I have to listen to others also. So that is how you balance your talk. Even in daily conversations, let others also speak. And yes, thank you everyone if I say this. And I say, thank you for being a wonderful audience and responding to my questions. Which one sounds better? क्यों? ज़्यादा वर्ड्स है? अरे, ऐसा तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं. I completed my thank you. I gave y'all the reason why I am thanking y'all. So just ज़्यादा टाइम तो लगा ही नहीं, कुछ seconds लगे, but you made the other person feel good. You made your compliment, your gratitude feel genuine. कि हाँ भाई सच्ची में बोल रहा है ये तो thank you. And compliment. For example, Prathna, I know her, and I compliment her. Arey Prathna, you make wonderful posters. And I tell someone else, okay, I tell Saishri, you know what? Prathna हमारे club में है, and she makes beautiful posters. And later on, Saishri calls Prathna. Prathna, you know, Pinky was talking about you the other day. कि आप तो बहुत बढ़िया posters बनाते हो. Prathna, question to you, what will make you feel good? Of course, मेरा compliment तो अच्छा लगेगा ही, but what will make you feel good? When you hear from me, and और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा when you hear from Saishri. और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा ना? So this is another way of complimenting. When you know कि कोई दोस्त का दोस्त है, share your compliment. कुछ भी अच्छा देखते हो ना, तारीफ करने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. Okay, so this is something intro line. Now this is something which I learned from Professional Speakers Association of India. When I introduce myself as I'm a communication skills catalyst. I help individuals to speak, to connect with clarity. So I want something which you all can speak about yourself in a line. This is your intro line. I am dash, I help. Either it can be I help. आपको चाहिए तो इसका screenshot photo ले लो. I help, I guide, I empower, or I work with. This is very powerful. Next. So this is just your intro line which tells others about you in short. Because सबके पास बहुत time नहीं होता है. Even short time में ही impact create करना पड़ता है. Now style your sorry. Sorry, अब मैं थोड़ा जल्दी जा रही हूँ because we have to take care of time. Style your sorry. I'm not saying कि sorry बोलने में कोई बुराई है. No. But sorry को हम और बेहतर तरीके से भी कह सकते हैं. How do we do that? Sorry for being late. Now I tell you all sorry मुझे late हो गई. Or tell you thank you for being so patient. मैं आप लोग को थैंक कर रही हूँ. I'm making you all feel good. Sorry, okay, I'm not saying मेरी गलती नहीं है, but I'm thanking you all. That changes everything. That changes your mood. सामने वाले का mood change कर देता है. Sorry to interrupt. Excuse me, do you have a minute? Sorry for my mistake. I realize the consequences. I will take care that this does not happen again. And then again, thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for pointing out. मैंने sorry ही बोला है. बस मैंने उस sorry को thank you में convert कर दिया है. Yeah. Okay. Done? Okay, now this is a game again. You can see digits 1 to 36. Okay? I'll give you all 30 seconds. Can someone tell me once the 30 seconds are over? देखो आप लोग कितने digit 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे ढूंढो. No, let's make it 20 seconds. See, you all can find how many numbers you all can find. Start now. हाँ, ठीक है. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you all have to find. Stop. Anyone from here कितने नंबर तक पहुंचे? 17? 17, 18? 21? Wow. Anyone 21 से ऊपर गए? 26. Easy था? और easy करें? नहीं? इसको करते हैं और easy. I believe in simplicity. So let's move to the next slide. What I had done is, if I had informed you all before, this is the structure I have followed. Z structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कुछ भी नहीं किया. मैंने खाली इस चीज को structure दिया. And that makes it easy for other person to understand. So whenever you communicate, it must have a structure. Now I'll share with you a few structures जो आप लोग interviews पे देने वाले हो. It can help you all. We'll move to the next slide. Okay, structure, the first one, if you all have to share your experience. PPF is past, present, future. बढ़िया. Okay, PCO, pros, cons, opportunity, other options, pros, cons, other options, objectives, observation, your opinion. Pros, you're stating pros, you're stating cons, but you're communicating with confidence, and then you should have an opinion. You'll share that. So these are the pros, these are the cons, and this is what I feel, and that is my opinion. Okay, CEO. Cause. फिर वो वापस हो गया. ये वाला वो क्या होगा? Who said outcome? Applause, please. Cause see what I'm doing, I'm not doing anything. I'm just completing everything. That's it. Okay. P for problem. S for? तो यही क्या है? Execution. Yes, because we do not stop at solutions. We have to understand that how do we execute that solution. Okay, we move ahead. Thank you. What is this? Question mark, of course. So we'll move ahead and see. Know when to ask. I'll cover this quickly. Know when to ask. Open and close-ended questions. Be specific. Keep it simple and short. Next one. Okay. बहुत बार हम लोग को ना बोल this is something which I suffered badly. Almost standing. I suffered very badly saying no. मुझसे ना बोला नहीं जाता था. So what was my mindset? My mindset was saying no is rude. Then I understood no. Saying no is respecting your boundaries. He and she will hate. अरे यार मैं उसका no बोलूँगी मेरी दोस्ती टूट जाएगी. नहीं यार वो मुझसे नफरत करने लगेंगी. No. अगर आप हर चीज में हाँ बोलोगे आप कहाँ कहाँ पहुंचोगे? आप अकेले हो कितना काम करोगे? Where will you land? कहीं पर हम नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. We will be doing injustice. तो परेशानी वैसे ही होने वाली है. तो ना बोल के परेशानी लो ना. Simple. Okay. Every opportunity is for me. Unfortunately, it is not like that. Every opportunity is not for us. We have to prioritize. Now, what is this? Saying no. Okay. Be respectful, show gratitude, and give the why. Of course, when somebody tells me, oh, please, can you come for speaking? Can you come to conduct a training session? I give no. I say the reason, but I don't stop there. I tell them, you know what? You want me to come for this communication session? I know someone who does it. Would you like me to share her contact number or share his contact number? What am I doing? मैंने ना तो बोला ही. Because when someone is approaching you, he or she has hope. He needs help. But हम भी बंधे हुए होते. But if you give them options, no, not me, but why don't you approach him or her? That makes their life easy. Then pause before saying yes. Handling questions, of course, be calm and composed. Think of questions. हम आप interview के लिए जा रहे हैं. You all prepare for interviews. You all know what questions may be asked. And if you do not understand, कई बार हम लोग no, how can we ask? No, misinformation देने से तो अच्छा है. एक बार clarify कर लो. And yes, let's move ahead and see. Feedback, it's to give the solutions that this is what can be done instead of no, how did you do that? No, you know what? You did this, but I think next time we can do it that way. Yeah. What's this? Almost done. Screaming. Conflict? So conflict क्यों होता है? Because when we are not clear with response, you all are doing group projects together. We don't know कि किसका responsibility क्या है. We don't have clarity. या फिर suppose two of us, like you and I, are working on a project together. Until you give me the data, I'll not be able to complete my work. Now I am dependent on you. That can create a conflict. So what do? Understand the intention, understand the reason, offer space, talk directly. Indirect mat bolo. Please talk directly. Go ahead and talk directly to that person. And whatever it is, do not take too hard. Because वो बाद में जाके मुसीबतें खड़े करता है. Yes, we'll move ahead to the next slide, please. So this is my version of Thomas Gordon model. How do we say it assertively? For example, you all were saying you all do group projects together. Now someone on your behalf is presenting a project. उसने सबका नाम लिया and आपका नाम लिया ही नहीं. How will you feel? For example, Rashraj, busy on your mobile, I could see that. How would you feel if in a group project, आपने भी बहुत मेहनत किया, your name is not taken. हाँ, and what will you tell me? I did not take your name. I presented the बहुत अच्छा बड़ा. What will you tell me? See, he said it nicely. Excuse me, you forgot to mention me. Or it could be, when my name was not in the credit list, I felt like demotivated. Can we see that this doesn't happen next time, so that others are encouraged to join the team? The same thing, instead of saying, oh, no, you did not take my name. So yes, this is the model which we can say it as it can be. So say the situation, which is when, say your feeling, I felt, what is the option, and last, what is the outcome? All right, so next, I think so this is the last one, yeah. Okay, when you're delegating, remember, the responsibility is yours. भले ही आपने किसी को कोई भी काम delegate कर दिया, the responsibility is yours and you have to select the right person. जिसका जो skill हो, help them, and of course, they can work together. That's how we do it. We do not micromanage, we help. Yeah. And of course, the last thing, whenever you're writing, before sending any email or you are sending for interviews, anything, the cover letters or anything, please double check the spellings, grammar and all, because all that is recorded. It's a written proof. Shorter sentences, better. Please check the punctuation marks. Yeah, done. Last one. So I'll end with something very close to my heart by Abraham Lincoln. This quote is, I was talking about authenticity. In simple, the best is being you. Because why? Because you can fool some of the people all of the time. All of the people some of the time. But you cannot fool all of the people all the time. So with that, treat others how you want to be treated. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. You see this QR code, I believe, in continuous learning. So this is the feedback form. If you can scan and share, wonderful. And yes, I'm there on LinkedIn. We can connect. Thank you, and thank you for this opportunity, Saishu.
One very important thing, please come, Pinky. Distinguished Toastmaster Pinky Behrooz is one of my best friend. No, she's my mentor. And mentor not only for my pathways, for my leadership journey, but for organizing any event. I know as a newcomer, we commit many mistakes. As a mentor, she is supporting, she is guiding me. Thank you so much, Pinky, for small token of gratitude from our side. Complete team of Team Aurora. So Team Aurora, big round of applause. And one, thank you for being a mentor for Aurora. Now I would like to request all the contestants, CC, CJ for ISC and TDC. Quickly, we are going to announce the result as well. So I request trio, Distinguished Toastmaster Ankit Das Gupta, District Director, Program Quality Director, Distinguished Toastmaster Pinky Behrooz, Neha Bhatt, Distinguished Toastmaster Sanjan Sethi, our Club Grow Director. We are going to announce the result first,
Now.
then other contest official we are going to give. So I would like to request ISC, Contest Chair and Chief Judge.
It is now time to present the results for the International Speech Contest. I would like to mention that there was no disqualification on the basis of time. And now is the time to announce the results for what we all were waiting for. The third place winner is Toastmaster Hitesh Dave. The second place winner for the International Speech Contest is Toastmaster Himanshi Malukani. The winner for the International Speech Contest of Division A goes to Ankur Agrawal. The winner, Toastmaster Ankur Agrawal, will be representing Division A at District Conference Eloquence 2025, which is going to held from 23rd May to 25th May at Jaipur. Thank you. Now I'd like to call Toastmaster Pranjal Katare, Contest Chair for Table Topics Contest.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the time to present the results of the table topics contest. There was one disqualification on the basis of time. The third place winner is Toastmaster Nidhi Goyal. The second place winner for the table topic contest is Toastmaster Ankur Agarwal. So the winner of table topic contest is Toastmaster Neeraj Agarwal. Ladies and gentlemen, Toastmaster Neeraj will be representing Division A at the District Conference Eloquence 2025, that is to be held on 23rd to 25th of May in Jaipur.
Now, it's the time for felicitation of our role players. For the same, I would like to call our CC of ISC Anushka Sangneria, CJ of ISC Anjali Shivhare, CC of TTC Pranjal Katare, and CJ of TTC Toastmaster Rahul Tiwari. So, firstly, as I say the name, please come on the stage. Chief Sergeant at Arms Toastmaster Amul Sethi. Breakout Sa Toastmaster Jayashri Gamit. Ballot Counter 1 Toastmaster Ranjana Rathore. Ballot Counter 2 Toastmaster Dhwani Jain. Timer 1 Toastmaster Tarun H. Langalia. Timer 2 Toastmaster Rishika Shrivastava. Whoever is present, please come on the stage.
May I now request the convener, Toastmaster Tosef Sheikh, to felicitate our contest chair and chief judge. Contest chair of International Speech Contest, Toastmaster Anushka Sangneria. Chief judge of International Speech Contest, Toastmaster Anjali Shivhare. Contest chair of Table Topic Contest, Toastmaster Pranjal Katare. Chief judge of Table Topic Contest, Toastmaster Rahul Tiwari. Co-convener, Toastmaster K. Selvam. Food and Logistics, Toastmaster Ashutosh and Toastmaster Amul Sethi.
For the award team, I would like to call Toastmaster Prarthana Churi and 3 volunteers.
For registration team, Toastmaster Rishi and Toastmaster Yashraj.
As an event timer, Toastmaster KSB Venkat Sai.
Techmaster Toastmaster Khushbu Makhija.
Entertainment team for dance, Toastmaster Sakshi Maheshwari.
For singing, Toastmaster Dhwani Jain.
For poetry, Toastmaster Mansi Raghuvanshi.
Give a round of applause to both the MOCs, Toastmaster Harshita Agrawal and Juhi Rathore.
Yes, we are having one important launch. For that, I would like to request District Director Ankit Das Gupta, PQD, Program Quality Director Neha Bhatt, please come on the stage. So every year, it has started since 4 years. Division A is launching their own newsletter, and we are continuing this legacy. So in the first term, we had already launched Aura 1 on our division conference at Vadodara, and it's time to inaugurate the launch our second edition Aura 2. For that, I would like to request Tausif Sheikh, please come on the stage, and we are flipping. The same time, I would like to request all the members, those who are here in a PR. Let's once again a big round of applause for our newsletter head, Toastmaster Tausif Sheikh.
Now, let us acknowledge the Toastmasters who have worked a lot to make this event happen. I request Dr. Rupesh Dubey sir, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication, IPS Academy, to present a token of gratitude to Ms. Sai Shri Shastri Madam, founder of Sai Shri Shastri's Tutorial and Skill Development Center. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now, I request Dr. Pooja Bhatt Madam, Head, Training and Placement, Institute of Engineering and Science, IPS Academy, to present a token of love and gratitude to Mr. Tausif Sheikh sir, Director, ATS Automobiles Limited, Pithampur. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Now, I request Mrs. Smita Patil madam, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication, IPS Academy, to present a token of remembrance to Ms. Shruti Shivhare, HR Business Partner Lead, RTCS. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you, madam.
As we conclude this wonderful event, I would like to invite Toastmaster K. Selvam to deliver the vote of thanks. Your heartfelt words will wrap up this occasion with gratitude and warmth. Please help me welcome Toastmaster K. Selvam on the stage.
बशीर बद्र साहब कहते हैं, तुम्हारे साथ ये मौसम फरिश्तों जैसा है। तुम्हारे साथ ये मौसम फरिश्तों जैसा है, तुम्हारे बाद ये मौसम बहुत सताएगा। Good evening everyone, once again. As every beautiful journey has to end, now we are towards the end of our today's program. So as a co-convener, I just enjoyed this event. Listened to amazing speeches, table topics. IPS students, hope you enjoyed. Raise your hands if you enjoyed. Yes? So first of all, I'd like to thank the God Almighty for making it possible for all of us to come together and witness this event. The trio of District 98, District Director DTM Ankit Das Gupta, Program Quality Director DTM Neha Bhatt, Club Growth Director DTM Sanjan Shetty, Division A Director DTM Sai Shri Shastri, for guiding us, for making it possible to organize this event in Indore at IPS. I thank the contestants of International Speech Contest as well as Table Topic Contest. Without these contestants, these contests would not have been possible. Special thanks to the panelists today, amazing speakers, enlightened us with so many good information, knowledge. First is Mr. Saurabh Narsaria, DTM Kanchan Sonik, and Mr. Mukesh Kumar. Thank you so much for enlightening us. I thank all the role players. Without the role players, we could not have witnessed such amazing contest. So thank you for taking those roles and fulfilling it judiciously. Thank you so much. And the most important, IPS College Management. Thank you, sir, for providing this beautiful, comfortable venue. So I thank the principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary, HOD Dr. Rupesh Garg, for helping us with all the logistics arrangements. Thank you so much, sir. All the vendors, without those, we could not have had that amazing food which we had, and the volunteers and all the amazing students, the future of this country. Thank you so much. If I forgot anyone, I'll say sorry, and I'll conclude with saying thank you so much. Thank you, each one of you. Have a nice day. Thank you.